A tax website guide at Dmoz-Odp. Chapter 1. A tax website guide at Dmoz-Odp 1. Tax websites at dmoz-odp.org/home/personal_finance/tax_preparation. irs.gov, Internal Revenue Service, U.S. government agency responsible for tax collection and tax law enforcement. allexperts.com/browse.cgi?catlvl=3 cat ID =932, allexperts tax Q&A, professionals with backgrounds in accounting answering individual tax questions. bankrate.com/brm/edax, bankrate.com, news and advice, information on all phases of tax planning and preparation. irs.gov/app/understanding taxes, irs.gov, Understanding Taxes, offers both print and online materials to help learn more about the history, theory, and application of taxes in the United States. irs.gov/formspubs, file manager for publications, IRS, forms and publications. newyorktimes.com/topic/subject/taxes, New York Times, your money, taxes, articles and videos providing help on tax preparation, tax deductions, changes in the tax code, filing of state and federal forms, and the alternative minimum tax. timbertax.org, Timber Taxes, comprehensive explanation of the tax treatment of timber. Tax negotiation and representation websites at dmoz-odp.org/business/accounting/tax_negotiation_and_representation. Subcategories. Lawyers. Property tax consultant S. Sales and use tax. VAT-related services. 2020taxresolution.com, 2020's tax resolution, tax debt representation and resolution for individuals and businesses. twptaxsolutions.com, TWP Tax Solutions, tax planning, preparation, and resolution consultation services from enrolled agent Tyler W. TaxHelp2000.com, Tax Help 2000, professional income tax preparation, tax audits, forensic accounting and bookkeeping. 877taxrelief.com. iancap.com, Ian Capital Consultants, consulting and studies in engineered cost segregation. algtaxsolutions.com, Alg Tax Solutions, PC, representing taxpayers who need help resolving their tax obligations with IRS and state tax agencies. AmericanFinancialTax.com, American Financial and Tax, full-service tax assistance from basic tax return preparation to full representation for all audits and hearings. BrockTaxRelief.com, Brock Tax Relief, offering representation for IRS levy and lien issues. CGTax.com, C&G Tax Service Incorporated, tax preparation and representation, and bookkeeping services. CKTax.com, CK Tax, helping to solve your tax difficulties. CommunityTax.com, Community Tax, assisting individuals and businesses with IRS and state tax debt. CTCTax.com, Colonial Tax Consultants Incorporated, representing businesses and individuals who owe back taxes. DarcyAssociatesInc.com, Darcy and Associates Incorporated, Missouri and Kansas Tax Incentive Program Consultant. DickNorton.com, Dick Norton, EA, representing taxpayers with audit and collection issues before the IRS and California tax agencies. DudleyandDudleyLLC.com, Dudley and Dudley, LLC, tax help from a former IRS agent. EdisonAccounting.com, John Folson, CPA, assisting individuals and businesses experiencing federal and state tax problems. ETAXRelief.com, ETAXRelief.com, specializing in IRS and state tax problem resolution. EXIRsman.com, EXIRsman.com, James Robert, J.R. Coleman, EA. FederalTaxResolution.com, Federal Tax Resolution, specializes in all areas of tax relief. FogelCPA.com, Dave Fogel, CPA tax consultant, licensed as a CPA and enrolled agent representing taxpayers before the United States Tax Court, IRS and state tax agencies. FoutsFinancialGroup.com, Fouts Financial Group, specializing in tax problem resolution and the preparation of complex tax returns. FreedomTaxRelief.com, Freedom Tax Relief, specializing in income tax debt resolution services. GlobalR-D.com, Global R&D Consulting Group Incorporated, provides research and development and tax credit services across North America. IRSNegotiators.com, IRSProblemSolvers.com, American Society of IRS Problem Solvers, organization of attorneys, CPAs, and enrolled agents specializing in tax consultations. IRSRemedy.com, Edward Asinski, Jr. IRSTaxCompromise.com, Sherman Weeks & Co., LLC, specializes in IRS tax problem negotiation and other federal tax issues. IRSWarrior.com, JGTaxGroup.com, JG Tax Group, resolving tax problems nationwide. JimCurvino.com, JimMatthewsCPA.com, Jim Matthews CPA, CPA firm helping taxpayers deal with back taxes. JohnRDundon.com, John R. LandWCPAs.com, Lawler and Witkowski, CPAs, Buffalo, New York-based CPAs who specialize in solving IRS problems for clients. Larson-Financial.com, Larson Financial, specializing in tax resolution. Lothamer.com, Lothamer, certified public accountants specializing in tax representation and tax problem resolution with the IRS and state of Michigan. MFPower.com, MyIRSTaxRelief.com, Mike Habib, EA, enrolled agent resolving tax problems and IRS audits. Orange County Tax Help IRS Problems Resolution Back Taxes Debt Settlement.com, John L. ResolveMyTaxes.com, NFA Tax Help, Houston-based tax resolution firm offering services for taxpayers who have federal or state tax problems. SolveMyTaxProblems.com, Larry Weinstein, CPA, focus on IRS tax problems. SpencerFellows.co.uk, Spencer Fellows & Co., long-established tax consultants in Chelmsford, Essex, United Kingdom. SteveMSpencer.com, Steve M. Spencer, CPA, property tax consultant services for Texas ad valorem property tax issues for convenience stores and other commercial property. StrategicTaxInc.com, Strategic Tax and Business Solutions Incorporated, offering tax planning, accounting, and return preparation to Canadian taxpayers. SurviveTaxes.com, Robert Somerville, CPA, helping clients to resolve federal and state tax problems. Tax-Tiger.com, Tax Tiger Incorporated, federal tax liens, wage garnishments resolved. Tax-Help.net, Tax Help Associates, over 30 years of professional IRS experience to help clients resolve state and federal tax matters. TaxAdvocates.net, TaxAdvocates.net, Gadiv and Company, LLC. TaxAudit.com, Tax Resources Incorporated, IRS audit defense experts. TaxAuditing.com, Baruta Financial Services, LLC, enrolled agents licensed to appear before the IRS. Taxback.com, Taxback, specialists in international tax refunds of eligible state, federal, and local taxes. TaxCrisisInstitute.com, Tax Crisis Institute, helping to resolve any collection problems you may be having with the Internal Revenue Service or any other taxing authority. TaxDocs.com, Equity Search Incorporated, specializing in the solution of IRS and state tax problems. TaxesForYou.com, Robert Normandy EA and Associates, providing representation at all levels of IRS plus bookkeeping services. TaxFirm.com, TaxFirm.com, resolution of IRS problems. TaxFix.co.uk, TaxFix, specializes in the refund of tax from the inland revenue for students and other low-income individuals. TaxMattersSolutions.com, Tax Matters Solutions, LLC, focusing on representing taxpayers before the IRS and state governments. TaxpayerSolutions.com, Taxpayer Solutions Incorporated, veteran tax professionals specializing in resolving IRS problems. TaxProblem.org, Joe Mastriano, CPA, offering solutions to IRS problems. TaxProblemsRus.com. TidyTax.com, Tidy Tax Incorporated, nationwide tax relief firm helping people with BAC taxes. UKTaxAdvisor.com. USDAExcourt.com. UtilityAuditTCO.com, utility audit company, reviews accounts to determine eligibility for utility tax refunds. WhataX.com, Washington Tax Services, representation for individuals and small businesses with tax liens or IRS collection problems. Westax.com, Westax, LLC, providing preparation of tax returns and assistance with IRS problems. WSquib.com, William Squibb and Associates, Canadian Commodity and GST Tax Recoveries. Chapter 2. A Tax Website Guide at Dmoz-Odp 2. Tax preparation websites at dmoz-odp.org/home/personal_finance/tax_preparation. irs.gov/forms/pubs, Internal Revenue Services Forms and Publications, includes all U.S. federal tax forms and instructions, including W-2, W-4, 1040, 1040EZ, 1099, and 4868. SaveWealth.com/tax forms, SaveWealth.com, Tax Forms Center, includes IRS tax forms, state income tax forms, and tips to reduce your income tax bill. Tax accounting software websites at dmoz-odp.org/computers/software/accounting/tax. Subcategories: Australia, Canada, India, New Zealand, United Kingdom, United States. bdtax.com.bd, bdtax.com.bd, online tax software in Bangladesh. etamlink.com, etamlink, Rethink Solutions Incorporated, hosts web-based property tax software for local, regional, national, and international property tax and assessment management. taxconnection.com.sg, taxation software, a software tool for tax professionals to compute Singapore income taxes for both individuals and businesses. Bookkeeping and tax preparation websites at dmoz-odp.org/business/accounting/firm/bookkeeping_and_tax_preparation. Subcategories: Africa, Asia, Europe, North America, Oceania. U.S. tax websites at dmoz-odp.org/business/accounting/firm/bookkeeping_and_tax_Americas/United_States. Click Estate. A-management-solution.com, Campbell and Associates, Accounting Management Consulting. ClearGYTaxNet.com, Clergy Financial Resources, National Tax and Payroll Organization serving churches and clergy. FraudDetectives.com, Forensic CPAs and Certified Fraud Examiners, provides fraud detection and prevention. HRBlock.com, HNR Block, offers online and in-person tax preparation and tax software, mortgages, brokerage and financial services, consumer tips, and tax planning information. JacksonHewitt.com, Jackson Hewitt Tax Service, a full-service, year-round income tax preparation company specializing in fully computerized federal and state tax preparation of individual returns. LibertyTax.com, Liberty Tax Service, retail income tax preparation firm, serving the United States and Canada. LinkAccounting.com, Link Accounting, provides discount accounting services to small business. Multisoft-net.com, Multisoft, provides automated accounting solutions. pbstax.com, PBS tax and bookkeeping service, specializing in the trucking industry, providing tax preparation and software for truckers to prepare their own taxes. Pro-dm.com, ProDM, Inc., tax support for airline flight crew members in claiming maximum deductions for meals and incidental expenses while working. SVAconsulting.com, SVA Consulting Incorporated, a Midwest-based computer information services consulting firm. Economic taxation websites at dmoz-odp.org/society/issues/economic/taxation. Financialtransparency.org, Financial Transparency Coalition, global coalition of civil society organizations and governments working to address inequalities in the financial system that penalize billions of people. gfintegrity.org, global financial integrity, GFI, research and advocacy organization working to curtail illicit financial flows out of developing countries. mastersinaccounting.net/101-top-tax-policy-blogs, 101 top tax policy blogs, collection of links to blogs including international tax policy, think tank, American professors, and country-specific. NewYorkTimes.com/topic/subject/tax-evasion, The New York Times, Tax Evasion, collection of recent and archived news and commentary, photos, multimedia and selected web resources about worldwide tax evasion. scorporationsexplained.com, S-Corporations Explained, non-technical information about S-Corporation taxation and accounting. TaxJustice.net, Tax Justice Network, TJN, coalition of researchers and activists focused on the harmful impacts of tax avoidance, tax competition, and tax havens. TaxPolicy.com, TaxPolicy.com, quiz to determine your stance on tax policy. TheGuardian.com/UK/series/offshore-secrets, The Guardian, Offshore Secrets, worldwide joint investigation by The Guardian, the BBC's Panorama and the Washington-based International Consortium of Investigative Journalists, ICIJ. TheGuardian.com/business/tax avoidance, The Guardian, tax avoidance, reporting and analysis exposing the extent of tax avoidance, including shifting income to other countries. TIHK.org.HK, Taxation Institute of Hong Kong, seeking to promote the study and the exchange of information and views on taxation. TreasureIslands.org, Treasure Islands, official website of book by Nicholas Shackson about tax havens and the men who stole the world.